Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to dive into the world of investing, you've probably heard of WeBull. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can use WeBull to grow your investments and potentially make money. We'll cover everything from stock trading and options trading to margin trading, along with some crucial tips to keep in mind and the educational resources WeBull offers. So, if you're ready to learn how to make the most of your investment journey with WeBull, stay tuned. Number 1. Stock trading, a foundation for growth. Stock trading is one of the most common ways people aim to make money using WeBull. When you purchase shares of a company, you are essentially buying a small piece of that business, with the goal of buying these shares at a low price and selling them at a higher price in the future to realize a profit. One of the major advantages of using WeBull for stock trading is its commission-free trading feature, which means you don't incur fees every time you buy or sell shares, significantly enhancing your returns, particularly if you trade frequently. Additionally, WeBull provides a comprehensive suite of market research tools and data, including real-time market quotes, analyst ratings, financial calendars, and the latest news, all of which help you make informed decisions about which stocks to buy or sell. Beyond traditional stocks, WeBull also offers access to exchange-traded funds, ETFs, which are collections of stocks that track a specific index or sector, providing a means of diversification that can mitigate the risks associated with investing in individual stocks. However, stock trading is not without its risks. The stock market can be highly volatile, with prices fluctuating widely based on factors such as company performance, economic conditions, and geopolitical events. Number 2. Options trading, advanced strategies for higher gains. Options trading is another investment strategy available on WeBull, offering the potential for significant profits, but also carrying a higher degree of complexity and risk compared to stock trading. Options are financial contracts that grant the holder the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell a stock at a predetermined price within a specified period. There are two main types of options: call options, which allow you to purchase a stock at a specific price, and put options, which allow you to sell a stock at a specific price. One of the key attractions of options trading is leverage. It enables you to control a large number of shares with a relatively small investment. This means that if the stock price moves in your favor, the returns can be substantial. However, this leverage also amplifies potential losses, making it possible to lose your entire investment if the stock price moves against your position. Options can be utilized in various strategies, such as hedging to protect against potential losses in your stock portfolio, or speculating to bet on the future direction of a stock's price. More advanced strategies, like spreads, straddles, and iron condors, allow investors to tailor their risk and reward profiles by combining different options contracts. Due to the sophisticated nature and inherent risks of options trading, it is generally recommended for experienced investors who possess a deep understanding of market mechanics and the specific stock involved. This expertise is crucial to navigate the complexities of options and to make informed, strategic decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Number 3. Margin trading, amplifying gains and losses. Margin trading is a sophisticated investment strategy that involves borrowing money from WeBull to purchase more securities than you could with your available cash, thus amplifying both potential gains and losses. Utilizing margin allows investors to leverage their investments, significantly increasing their purchasing power. For instance, with $10,000 in your account, you might be able to buy $20,000 worth of stocks. This leverage can lead to substantial profits if the investments perform well. However, it's crucial to understand that margin trading comes with heightened risks and additional costs. Borrowing on margin incurs interest expenses, and while WeBull's margin rates are competitive, they add another layer of cost that must be factored into your potential returns. Additionally, margin accounts are subject to margin calls. If the value of your investments drops below a specified level, WeBull may require you to deposit additional funds or liquidate part of your holdings to cover the borrowed amount. This can force you to sell assets at unfavorable prices, potentially exacerbating your losses. Due to these risks, margin trading demands careful management and a deep understanding of market dynamics and your personal risk tolerance. It's not recommended for beginners, as the complexity and potential for rapid, significant losses can be overwhelming without substantial experience and knowledge. In essence, while margin trading can enhance your investment capabilities, it necessitates a disciplined, informed approach to mitigate the inherent risks and costs effectively. Important considerations for investors. Regardless of the investment strategy you choose, there are several critical factors to keep in mind to ensure a balanced and informed approach. Firstly, risk management is paramount. Diversification is essential. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies can significantly reduce risk. Additionally, carefully consider your position sizing to avoid overly large allocations to any single stock or sector, which can jeopardize your entire portfolio. Utilizing stop-loss orders can also protect your investments by automatically selling securities when they reach a predetermined price, thereby limiting potential losses. Secondly, education and knowledge play a crucial role in successful investing. It is vital to engage in continuous learning by staying updated with market news, reading investment books, and taking relevant courses. Before committing to any asset, ensure you fully understand its characteristics, risks, and potential returns, as blindly following tips or trends can lead to significant losses. Lastly, maintaining emotional discipline is crucial. Avoid panic selling during market fluctuations, as impulsive decisions based on short-term movements can derail your long-term investment strategy. Patience is equally important. Building wealth through investing typically requires time, and allowing your investments to grow and compound over the years is key to achieving substantial returns. By adhering to these principles, risk management, continuous education, and emotional discipline, you can enhance your chances of investment success and navigate the complexities of the financial markets with greater confidence. WeBull's tools and resources. WeBull provides a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to enhance your understanding of the markets and improve your trading skills. A standout feature is paper trading, which allows you to simulate trades with virtual money, making it an excellent way for beginners to practice trading strategies without risking real capital. Additionally, WeBull offers a wealth of educational resources, including articles, videos, and webinars, covering everything from basic investing principles to advanced trading techniques, catering to all levels of experience. To aid in making informed decisions, WeBull provides access to real-time market data, analyst ratings, financial calendars, and the latest financial news. These tools ensure you are always up to date with market developments and trends. Furthermore, WeBull's community feature allows you to connect with other investors, share ideas, and learn from each other, fostering a collaborative learning environment. For any technical issues or questions, WeBull's customer support is readily available to assist. Whether you are a novice just starting out or an experienced trader looking to refine your strategies, WeBull's resources and support are invaluable assets in your investment journey. Conclusion: the role of WeBull as a tool. WeBull is a powerful tool that can help you invest in the stock market and potentially grow your wealth over time. However, it is essential to remember that investing involves risk, and there are no guarantees of profit. The key to successful investing lies in educating yourself, understanding your risk tolerance, and employing sound strategies. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of how to use WeBull to invest and grow your wealth. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so make sure to educate yourself and never invest money you can't afford to lose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up Subscribe to our channel for more investing tips and strategies, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest content. Drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, happy investing.